Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Have you been dreaming about a stellar credit score but feel stuck in a credit rut? Maybe you're overwhelmed by bills or just unsure where to start. Well, I've got just the thing for you. It's time to take control of your financial future. Click the link in the description below for an exclusive discount on Kikoff. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Alright, let's talk credit building. It's a crucial step in achieving financial freedom. I know it sounds about as exciting as watching paint dry, but stay with me. This could be a game changer for you. Kikoff is here to make it fun and, dare I say, easy. Yes, you heard that right. Fun and easy. Yep, you heard that right. Imagine enjoying the process of building your credit. So what exactly is Kikoff? How does it work and why should you care? Think of it as your personal cheerleader in the world of credit building. It's like having a supportive friend who wants to see you succeed. They offer a credit line of $500, which you can use to make small purchases, like that ebook you've been eyeing or a few cups of artisanal coffee. You don't have to go overboard, just small, manageable purchases. The magic happens when Kikoff reports these purchases to the credit bureaus. This is where the real impact begins. Over time, these little transactions can add up to big changes in your credit score. It's a gradual but powerful process. It's kind of like planting a tiny seed and watching it grow into a mighty oak tree. But without the squirrels, just consistent growth. Now, I know what you're thinking. How much does this credit-building wizardry cost? Is it going to break the bank? Here's the kicker. Kikoff is super affordable. You won't believe how budget-friendly it is. They have a basic plan that's just $5 a month. Yes, you heard that right, just $5. That's right, for the cost of one of those fancy coffees, you can be on your way to a better credit score. It's a small investment for a big return. And let's be real, who doesn't love a good deal? It's practically a steal. Plus, the app is super user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech wizard to navigate it. You can track your progress, monitor your purchases, and get handy tips, all in one place. It's like having a personal financial advisor at your fingertips. It's like having a financial guru in your pocket. But wait, there's more. Kikoff doesn't do hard credit pulls, so your credit score won't take a hit just for signing up. No stress, no worries. It's all gain, no pain. Seriously, think about it. It's a win-win situation. Imagine getting approved for that car loan, apartment, or swanky credit card because your credit score is on point. The possibilities are endless. Kikoff is like having a secret weapon in your financial arsenal. It's your ticket to financial empowerment. So if you're ready to unlock your credit potential, don't hesitate. The time to act is now. Click the link in the description below to snag your special offer on Kikoff today. Your future self will thank you. Your future self will thank you. Imagine the possibilities with a stellar credit score. All right, folks, that's a wrap. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on mastering your finances. We've got plenty more to share. Until next time, happy credit building. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. Don't forget to click that link below. See you soon.